Hi everyone, back here again for another video. This time I'm trying out writing on the GoodNotes app and the paper app by Wetransfer. And just a warning before we get into the video, please expect a lot of not so nice handwriting. Anyway, I just want to show you how writing is with the Apple Pencil on the iPad Air 3. I got an Apple Pencil a few months after I got my iPad Air 3, as I want to go back to drawing or sketching again. Then I started using the free version of Paper app by Wetransfer. I'm not better in drawing, but I'm happy to be able to draw again without purchasing all these crayons, pencils, and papers. I wanted to use this to draw more and hopefully learn to draw better. In 2019, I started bullet journaling and I continue doing it this year. I'm using a planner to guide me and give me a structure since I'm kinda new to this, and I want to maximize the benefit of journaling. And with my iPad and the Apple Pencil, I want to try a digital journal, hopefully next year. I'm currently playing around with the paper app, still the free version, on what can be the format of my test digital journal. And so far, this is what I've come up with. I have my top 3 to-do list, a section for my drawing of the day, and other sections to write reflections and notes. But then I did an impulse purchase of GoodNotes. Maybe I watched too many YouTube channels about digital journaling. I did not use it much at first, I think because I got used to the paper app first, and since I'm trying to draw more and there are not much options to draw or sketch in GoodNotes, though I can still get by with my very basic beginner's drawing. Here's a time lapse of how it looks like writing on GoodNotes. Just a note here, I've never placed a screen protector on my iPad, so this is writing directly on the glass screen. I started to use GoodNotes more when I was reading the book, The Bullet Journal Method. I used it to take notes and to practice the methods from the book. In multitasking mode, where I have the Kindle book and the GoodNotes open side by side, I don't see any issues here. Writing is still smooth and very responsive. Then I'm using GoodNotes 2 now for my Thai class, for learning more words and phrases, and writing and reading the Thai alphabet. Same as my drawing, I'm not good in Thai, but the plan is to get better. I previously made another video on writing on the iPad, and I mentioned there that GoodNotes is for more serious writing like studying and taking notes, while the paper app is more of a lighter mood writing and drawing. I'm trying out both to see which is better for my digital journal, and at this time, I'm leaning more on the paper app. Anyway, writing is really smooth on both apps. Each has its own unique options to write, and in the case of the paper app, more options for drawing. GoodNotes for me is not really for drawing, though I know there's a lot of people out there using this for taking notes and drawing along with it at the same time. So I guess I can say it's good for notes drawing. But for me, I prefer the paper app for drawing. I hope this video is helpful somehow and it gave you a quick look between the GoodNotes and the paper app and how it is writing on the iPad Air 3. So that's it. Thanks for watching.